notation. So writing numbers in power of 10 are standard form like m multiplied by 10 raised to the power p, where p is power and m is the number. So this form is called scientific notation. So what is scientific notation? Writing numbers in power of 10 or in standard form is called scientific notation. The internationally accepted practice is that there must be only one non-zero digit. Like for example 1, 2, 3.4. So in this case, to write this in scientific form, there must be one non-zero digit number. So here is, instead of 1 we have 2 digits like 1, 2, 3. Or for example, in this case 0.001234. So we can move this decimal, or we can write this into the standard form if we have non-zero digit number. So we will move this decimal to after the right of decimal. So in first case we will move this point to the right of 1. In this case again we will move to the right of 1. So this the number 1, this the number 123.4 should be written in the form of, so we can also write this is 1.234 to the power 10 to the power. Now what will be the value of power? The value of power depends on the movement of decimal. So here the the decimal moved along one number and two numbers, so the power will be 2. The next case here, it will be 1.234 multiply 10 raised to the power. Here will be the power, so the power depends on the movement of decimal. So here it covers one number, then second 0, then 1. So it has covered 3 digits, so the power will be 3. Now if the decimal move towards the left side, so when the decimal move towards the left side, then the power will be positive, or if the decimal move towards right side, then the power will be negative. So in this case the power moves towards left side, so this is positive, plus 2 or simply 2. In this case, as the decimal move toward the right side, so the power will be 1, 2, 3, so the power is minus 3. So this is the point. Now in physics, the next is prefixes of power of 10. The next is prefixes. So in physics we deal from very small, from like micro to very large magnitude. Like the whole physics started from micro level and we goes to macro level. For example, on one side we talk about the atom, while on the another side of we talk about the universe. So the whole physics start from small micro level and goes up to macro level. For example, the mass of an electron is 9.1 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 30 or 31. So it's, I think, minus 31 kg. So this is the mass of atom, which is quite very small. While on the other hand, the mass of the sun is 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 30. So on one side we deal with the mass of an atom, while on the other side we deal with the mass of sun. So to repeat this number, power 10 to the power 30, 10 to the power 20, we use a special name to this, or instead of this we represent it by letter of ABC. For example, if we have 10 raised to the power minus 18, or we have a number that we call 2 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 18 meter. So if this is the length, so instead of 10 raised to the power 18, we will call it that we have 2 autometer. So we will call this 10 raised to the power minus 18 auto. So what is prefixes? Prefixes are the special names. These are the special names given to the special power of 10. So we have special powers of 10 and we called it what? We call it prefixes. So what are these special power. So special power started from minus 18, 10 raised to power, the next is minus 15. So remember these, this is just the multiple of 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, and so on. We will decrease. So 3 4s are 12, now 3 3s are 9, now this is 3 2s are 6, so 3 1s are 3. Now coming to 3, we will start the number 1 2 3. So this is 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 1, 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, and reaching to 3 we will again start the multiple of 3. So after 10 raised to power 3 we will use the term 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 9, 10 raised to power 12, 10 raised to power 15, and 10 raised to power 18. There are also the number that are 10 raised to power minus 21, 10 raised to power minus 24, and so on, but this is out of course. So in this way we can also use for 10 raised to power 21, but that is out of course. So here are special powers of 10 which we given special name, and these are called prefixes. So what are the names of 10 raised to power minus 18? So we called it auto, the next called it femto, the next is auto, femto, pico, nano, auto, femto, pico, nano, micro, milli, centi, dc, deca. So there are dc and deca. So for dc we will use dc, while deca we will use deca. This is from deca. So removing these two we will get deca. So dc, deca. The next is hecto, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa. So bear in mind that the first words all are small letters except last 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa. Tera or tera. So this is wrong. So we will the last 5 are represented by capital letter while the rest are small letter. So these are special powers of 10 that are given the special prefixes. Now I would like to show you the trick that in which way does these prefixes help us. So for example, let's remove this or clean this. For example, the first case. So if someone tells you, so